Arkansas is the only state that doesn't require landlords to provide and maintain habitable housing for renters. This is a problem for more than just renters.
If we had working smoke alarms and working carbon monoxide detectors in residents for renters, it would make our jobs a lot safer, and it would make the lives of those occupants a lot safer. Therefore, everybody ends up safer in the end.
Bad rental housing makes more work for firefighters, code enforcement, and social services.
There absolutely should be a law in Arkansas that requires landlords to make their rental property habitable and safe. If a landlord is part of our community, our neighbors, our fellow citizens, we know that morally it's not right for them to put someone in an unsafe home. We know ethically it's not right. And so now we need that legal backing that says you can't rent a home or an apartment to someone and it's not safe.
Bad rental housing hurts communities and lowers neighboring property values.
The business model is just run it into the ground and walk away not doing the repairs.
Bad rental housing shifts more health care costs onto taxpayers.
A lot of these people who live in substandard housing are people who can't afford much more than that. And because of that, their health care costs are borne by the people of Arkansas, the taxpayers of this state, and higher insurance premiums, as well as higher Medicaid costs, as well as costs to the medical providers and hospitals from patients who just don't pay.
Bad rental housing is just bad business.
People who provide housing should be held accountable for making sure that housing is healthy and habitable in the same way that we hold car makers accountable for cars that run right and don't run off the road, or any other product. Houses should fall into that. Ultimately, it's the people of Arkansas that pay the cost of that when it's not.
Arkansas needs a law requiring habitable rental housing. Over 90% of Arkansans support minimum standards for rental housing. For more information on what you can do to help, visit the website of Arkansans for Stronger Communities at arkstrongcommunities.com.